Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I went from this to this in less than 10 minutes, make sure that you stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hi guys, so we're going to be working with some clip-ins that was sent to me by Amazing Beautiful Hair Extensions, and they sent me one bundle of 22-inch hair that has 7 clip-ins in that one bundle. Now you guys, I'm going to leave all the information about this hair down in the description bar if you guys are looking to purchase this hair. Also, I have a coupon code that I will also leave down in the description bar, and I'll leave it along the side of this video. Okay guys, so yeah, we're just going to get started putting these clip-ins in, and yeah, you guys, you can put them in however you please to put them in. Some pieces have 3 clip-ins on it, some pieces have 4, and some has 2 and 1. So you just put them in as they fit your part. Okay guys, so now that I'm done putting the clip-ins in, I am going to flat iron my hair and the clip-ins so that my hair can match with the Kinky straight hair a little more. Okay guys, I am finishing up with flat ironing my hair, and you guys, look at this hair. This hair is the bomb. It matches my hair so perfectly. I can't even explain how well this hair matched my hair. And as you can see guys, the length of it goes to my boobs, and again it is a 22-inch, and I am so loving this hair right now. I'm loving it right now. It is just beautiful. It's soft. I give thumbs up to Amazing Beautiful Hair for sending me this hair and sponsoring my video. If you guys want to purchase this hair, make sure that you head over to their website. It is down in the description bar, along with a coupon code where you can get $10 off your order. So definitely head over to that website and purchase you some clip-ins. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.